shock diamonds, created when thermal and kinetic energy combine at supersonic velocities. It's the signature of a jet engine's fiery exhaust and the trademark of Metco's latest advance in a long tradition of innovative thermal spray technology spanning over 5 decades. The Diamond Jet System, a new state-of-the-art high-velocity oxy-fuel process developed by Metco to efficiently apply high-quality metal, carbide, and specialty coatings. Dense coatings with very low porosity and high bond strength. Coatings with extremely fine as-sprayed surface finishes. Thicker coatings than normally associated with the thermal spray process. The Diamond Jet System's unique coating properties extend the range of user applications, including some previously performed only by proprietary coating vendors. Specifically formulated Dymaloy spray powders have been developed by Metco for use with the Diamond Jet gun. This new line of Dymaloy materials encompasses a wide range of coating applications which fall into 4 categories. Coatings intended for restoration of dimension and corrosion resistance. Low-temperature tribological coatings. High-temperature wear, oxidation, and corrosion-resistant coatings. And specialty coatings, such as abradable gas path coatings used on aircraft gas turbine engines. The Diamond Jet System is available in 3 configurations: a basic manual system, a microprocessor-based automatic system, and a fully computerized advanced coating system. As many as 9 shock diamonds are created by the Diamond Jet's high-velocity oxy-fuel output. And the gun doesn't require complex and expensive cooling systems usually associated with other HVOF equipment. Designed to be air-cooled, lightweight, and rugged, the Diamond Jet permits either right or left-hand operation. A unique feature of the Diamond Jet is the availability of extensions for spraying internal diameters. The DJT and DJST extensions mount directly on the front of the gun and permit spraying in IDs as small as 4 inches. The DJP powder feed unit is a totally new product based on Metco's highly successful fluidized bed powder feeder design. The feeder is equipped with a powder feed rate meter that displays continuous real-time monitoring of the powder spray rate to ensure consistent quality coatings. The DJF flow meter unit monitors and controls the fuel, oxygen, and compressed air used by the Diamond Jet gun. It contains flow meters, pressure gauges, and throttle valves to control flows. For automatic operation, the DJF flow meter unit is replaced by the DJC control unit, which is equipped with a microprocessor that provides automatic operation and monitoring of the Diamond Jet gun. The DJC control unit lights the spray gun flame, adjusts it to preset parameters, and starts the feed of the coating material. The control unit will continuously monitor the pressures of fuel, oxygen, and air supplies and shut the system down if any gas pressures change beyond the prescribed level. The system is also shut down if a flameout occurs or if the gun fails to ignite. The DJC control unit can be cascaded to provide multi-gun control from a single operator position and can be integrated with a robot or workpiece manipulator or interlocked with other accessory controls. For fully computerized operation, the ATC DJ Advanced Thermal Coating System provides precise control and monitoring of the HVOF process and accurate and convenient control of the coating parameters. The ATC DJ Advanced Thermal Coating System features closed-loop process control, modular hardware and software, menu-driven software, industry-proven hardware components, telecommunications with the Metco service group through an optional modem, interface with Metco robotics, unlimited coating parameter storage, parameter alarms and cause lists for system troubleshooting, and automatic printout of process conditions. The Metco Diamond Jet, the new standard in HVOF coatings, and your path to technical excellence in the air and on the ground.